Welcome spring to your front porch with seasonal decor from the Spring Shop, exclusively at Hobby Lobby. Ready to enjoy the cool breeze and sunny skies of spring? We have everything you need to create an inviting space for relaxing outdoors, starting with Wicker patio furniture. Once the seating area is set, it's time to add decor. The Spring Shop has a huge variety of outdoor pieces in a wide range of themes and styles, and you can mix and match them to curate a one-of-a-kind look you'll love. You'll find beautiful wall signs in every shape, size, and color. They're just the thing to brighten up your porch. When it's time to change up your florals for the season, you'll love exploring our wide selection of flowers and greenery. Welcome mats and outdoor rugs are springtime essentials. And there are lots of designs, patterns, and styles to choose from. Sometimes it's the little things that make spring sing. So fill out the look with accents like lanterns, plant stands, and planters. And if you want to make your seating area extra comfy, check out the Spring Shop's collection of outdoor pillows. With so many options, you'll find just the right one. Visit Hobby Lobby to discover seasonal beauties that will breathe new life into your front porch and beyond. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.